In New Jersey, there are 13 grounds for divorce. They include adultery, cruel and inhuman treatment, abandonment, desertion, all sorts of things. In New York, there are 7 grounds for divorce. But both in New York and in New Jersey, the grounds are almost the same. They just have different names. But both, and very importantly, both in New Jersey and New York, they now have a type of no-fault divorce. It's not true no-fault divorce. In New Jersey, we call it irreconcilable differences. In New York, we call it the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage. Anybody can propose to have a divorce based on irretrievable breakdown of the marriage or irreconcilable differences, and there is almost no defense to a divorce on those grounds.